Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I will show you the 2 ways to zoom out from Google Docs. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in Google Docs. You can see my page is zoomed in Google Docs. So I will show the 2 ways to zoom out this page. So let's start the first one. To zoom out, press Ctrl and minus from your keyboard and you can see our page is zoomed out in Google Docs. But over here you can see our title bars are also zoomed in. So let's move on to the second method. You can see over here is zoom. You can see 150. Now you just click on this and select any one from here less than 150 and the page will be zoomed out. I'll select 50% and you can see my document is zoomed out in Google Docs. In this way, we can zoom out in Google Docs. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.